Lotus. It's my work email.
I use Lotus for email.
Isn't that an email program?
Email.
Just email.
It's like yoga pose, right? Email.
It's a car for people who are still getting bonuses.
I think it's just email.
It wasn't long ago that most people saw Lotus as nothing more than your standard email program. What most people don't know is that Lotus can thread those emails, or deliver live web content directly to their inboxes, or create useful mashups and widgets, or make phone calls right from their computer, or tell them the exact location of a co-worker, or locate an expert in forestry or hamster breeding or any other field for that matter. It was time to let everyone know all the amazing new Web 2.0 features built into Lotus, so we created the Lotus Knows campaign. We'd tell people what Lotus knows while they were in the airport, inside a cab, when they returned to their hotel room, when they opened up their favourite magazine or read the newspaper. But we didn't stop there. We also asked enthusiasts who really use all the bells and whistles in Lotus to tell us what they know about it. And hundreds of them did just that, submitting their Lotus Knows videos to our site. There were videos with animations and puppets, even a brain floating in a jar, all of them addressing some new way to use Lotus. Lotus-related tweets and events were monitored and featured on our site too, giving people access to user groups and conversations and demonstrations, all showcasing the full suite of software. To round off the campaign, we created a bunch of engaging banners and digital outdoor work that demonstrated what Lotus can do by dynamically connecting to content. And when it was all said and done, the campaign totally worked.